Hey, what a surprise! Oh my God, I'm shocked, flabbergasted, and dumbfounded also in two. Miami has a big game, and Mark Richt can't get them prepared. Oh my God! Who saw this coming? I can't believe that. You mean a Mark Richt's coach team has showed up unprepared for a big game? I don't believe it. I don't believe what I'm seeing. It's like the Twilight. This can't be real life. Mark Richt's a nice guy though, ain't he? Hey, Miami fans. What Uncle Lou been trying to tell you, huh? Since you hired this guy, this youth pastor, you $4 million a year youth pastor, Mark Richt. Hey, what happened at the end of the first half? LSU punting from their own end zone. Miami can get the ball back with good field position and try to put like a drive together in the last minute and a half of the first half to try to get some points up on the board. First LSU punt attempt. Running into the kicker. Redo the punt. Second punt attempt. Jumping. Or I don't know what the name of that penalty is. The guy tried to jump over the three, block the wall in front of the punter. Penalty. Give LSU a first down. Hey, take a knee. Go to halftime. You mean Mark Richt struggles at special teams? What? No. Oh, man. Listen. The football Jesus is getting out-coached by the Cookie Monster. By the Cookie Monster. LSU's not even that good of a team. Is this going to be your fourth loss in a row? Miami can't. 4 in a row? Pitt. Taters, whiskey, corn dogs. 4 losses in a row. Man, Miami fans want to rewind the clock, don't they? They're like the first or second week of last November when they were riding high after a huge win over Virginia Tech or what was it? Y'all was 8-0, 9-0. What were you, 9-0, 10-0 even? Were you 10-0? Well, 10-0 seems like an eternity ago, don't it? Lost 4 in a row. I'm telling you, man, the $4 million a year youth pastor, Mark Richt, the football Jesus, he's a nice guy, though. Hey, wait till the post-game press conference, too. What's the score? 27-3 at half. Did LSU score 27 points in any games ever last year? I'm not sure if they did or not. They had 27 points on you at halftime. They got this running back. This dude's like 5'2", 131.5 pounds. He's like the modern-day Rudy. This guy's running all over Miami. Running people over, running around people. Ohio State's leftover trash looks like a decent quarterback against this Miami team. Mark Richt don't know what the hell he's doing, man. Yeah, 4 losses in a row. Hey, is the U still back? I'm asking for a friend. I don't know. Oh, my God. Did I pick Miami to win this game? I might not have ever watched a football game. I don't think I well, I guess they can go back to flying them planes around Miami Stadium. Fire the coach planes. They like to fly around over there. There'll be 4,000 people at the next home game now. Boy, Miami the biggest bandwagon fan base in America, ain't they? First 10 games of last season, everybody was. Remember all the Miami fans the last 10 games of last season? Boy, they swore they was Miami fans forever, wasn't they? All had a Michael Irvin jersey tucked away in their closet somewhere. Couldn't name one player between then and now. All of a sudden, they lifelong fans again last year in week 9, week 10. Now you can't find it. Now they're gone again now. I don't get it. Anyway, no time for a fancy video. No LuTube production here. But hey, Miami fans, Miami Hurricanes, your season is over.